Guys, this is Dr. Cool Auto Fix. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to be able to remove the door panel as much as the glass for the Passat B6 2006 model FSI 2.0 liters 2.0T. Okay, you can see it right here. Now what we want to do actually in this very car that prompted making this video is this door handle is not opening the door. Now as you can see it, we have actually removed the glass already. We're doing a lot of job on this car, as you can see right now. So if you have any questions or any video requests concerning Passat, you guys can vote on it, and am I considering be able to do the video, so I help you guys out if you suppose you have any problem with your Passat FSI. So here let's go over to the topic of the video. Okay, in order for you to remove this door panel, you need to find a something to ply here, and pull this one up. When you pull this one up, you're gonna be having some bolts here which you're gonna be losing. When you lose that, then you're done. You just need to pull here, and pull here. Then all this clip that you can see down here, all this clip, they will come out. And when they come out, then you have this clip right here. It should be like this when it is in place. So you need to push this button and drag this pink guy out. Then this one, you just need to press the tool and draw it back, so you get this out and you keep it out of the way. Now you're gonna be needing this. Don't keep it very far away from yourself. Now you're gonna be exposed to this. Now in order for you to remove this one, you just need to pull it back a little bit so that this hose here can be able to get out. Then when it get out, then you can unhook this very anchor you're seeing here. Okay, with that done, these guys are always changing their system, so I'm gonna show you what I did here. You're gonna be having a hole here, but before then you're gonna be needing, I think that should be like T30 or T40, the bolt that are surrounding this whole place here, which is this little guy here. So you need to lose those ones out. Then when you're done, this very rubber here, there is a rubber that closes this very place up. As you can see here, it's very simple to remove. You can just remove it. So now when you remove it, you're gonna be exposed to a hex kind of thing that you're seeing right there. When I made those kind of hex, you can actually use a 4mm to be able to lose it. Now for most of you guys who are going to be confusing this, before you can be able to get that up, you're going to be needing to wind the glass almost to 90% like this. The glass is going to wind it up to this. It's not going to be the regular one like other makes where you're going to be needing to wind it down. This one, you're going to be winding it up to be like 90%. When you wind it up to 90%, that is when you're going to be exposed with these bolts right here. You have one here and one here. Now, the trick you're going to be using to be able to remove this is very simple. When you get your 4mm in place like this, all right, don't torque it anti-clockwise. If you torque it anti-clockwise, it's going to be really hard. So you're going to need to torque it clockwise. When you torque it clockwise, it gets slack. Torque it clockwise, like give it 1, 2, 3 is okay. Then you count this one here. 1, 2, 3 is okay. 3 count is just okay. So after the 3 count, then someone should be able to assist you to pull it out of the way from up here. And as soon as you do that, then you're pretty much done with removing the glass. Then if suppose there is any further job which you want to be trying to be doing here, I don't think I'm going to be needing to waste much of your time concerning the glass replacement. Suppose maybe there is any other glass you want to replace, you can just slide it right in here from the upper part like this one here, and make sure that someone is watching, and don't shift this thing back. You know, don't shift it back, don't wind it down to go below this level, else it's gonna be much more difficult for you. And sorry, I forgot to tell you guys that when you are loosening it, you don't need to lose out this model. All right, you don't need to lose out this model. You need to leave this model in place so that you can actually get the wiring harness, which is this one here, this guy here. You get it back into this port right here, so you can be able to use this button here to wind it down when you put the ignition on. All right, okay, I hope this helped you. If this helped you to fix a problem, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I gotta catch you guys later. Bye for now.